Good morning, scholars. Today is April the 20th, 2020. It is going to be a great Monday, marvelous Monday, because it is the 20th of April, and we are getting so much farther than we have ever been in math, and our growth has been off the charts. We already had 1.1 years in January. So let's move on and let's try to hit that 2-year mark like we talked about. All right, guys. So today I can find the unknowns in any position. So today we're going to be working with word problems, and we're going to find those missing parts that people don't give us all the time. So you might have a problem that you're working with at home, and you have something and you need to know the other part, but you don't know that number. Well, today you're going to find out how to find that number. Okay? So get ready. We're going to do our number corner. Get ready by ones. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. By tens, ready, go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. By fives, ready, go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. What do we do next, scholars? You're right. By twos, ready, go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Awesome job. All right, let's do our doubles. Ready, go. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 7 is 14. 8 plus 8 is 16. 9 plus 9 is 18. 10 plus 10 is 20. 11 plus 11 is 22. 12 plus 12 is 24. 13 plus 13 is 26. 14 plus 14 is 28. 15 plus 15 is 30. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 12 months of the year and go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in the year and slam. All right, guys, so we're going to get into our lesson today. And remember, if you're getting on doing your Learning Odyssey or checking out our videos in math, I'm going to use your name in our thing. Today, I couldn't use everybody, but I will take off the people I used today, and I will use the ones that did it on Friday as well on tomorrow's work, okay? So let's get ready and focus on our lesson here. Let me get the camera to move up a little bit, and there we're going to get ready, okay? So I'm going to read these questions twice. Remember, we use the RDW method. Read, draw, and label. Well, today we're going to learn how to use these. And listen to me as I read the story twice, okay? Kendrick wrote 8 letters to his friends. His goal is to write 12 letters. How many more letters does he need to write to meet his goal? All right, so watch me. Kendrick wrote 8 letters. Let's underline that 8. To his friends. His goal is to write 12 letters. Let's underline the 12. How many more letters does he need to write to meet his goal? Pause the video and come back. when you have done solving this video. All right, welcome back. When I was walking around, I saw the scholar using the tape diagram, and we're going to show that in just a second. She said she drew a rectangle, and she wrote 8 letters to his friend already, so she could put 8 circles in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's why you always go back to double check. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do I have 8 circles in there now? Yes, I do. So let's put an 8 under here, because we know Kendrick already wrote 12 letters. So we're going to label that letters. Or you could just put an L for labels. Then I saw her put another box. And she had a question mark right here. Why does she have a question mark right there? Yep, go ahead and answer that. Because doesn't know how many more he wrote. But he needs to get to what? Very good. He needs to get to 12, and that is our whole. So we know he's trying to get his goal. So she drew some more circles. She went 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's count up how many is in our missing number. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I wrote an M there because they needed 4 more. So now we need to make a sentence here. What sentence could we have used to help us solve it when we're missing one part? Correct. We could use subtraction when we have our total and one part. Okay? So she wrote 12 minus 8. So she could have drawn 12 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then box the 8 in. And then she could box the 4 in. And she would have 4 left. And then you can write me a statement. Kendrick needs to write 4 more. Awesome job. All right, so let's get ready to read our second one. All right, let's look up here. Walter wrote 8 letters. Elizabeth wrote 12 letters. How many more letters did Elizabeth write than Walter? This time, I want you to draw cubes using 2 different colors to find the answer. I'm going to read it again. Walter wrote 8 letters, so underline the 8. Elizabeth wrote 12 letters, underline the 12. How many more letters did Elizabeth write than Walter? Go ahead and pause the video, come back and get ready. All right, welcome back. Walter wrote 8. So let's draw. When I walked around, I saw wonderful students working hard. And this is what I saw. I saw them draw 8 squares. And they put it, labeled it inside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they put the letter W beside it. Do you know why they put that W beside it? Very good, because those 8 is for Walter. All right. So now, when I walked around, I saw somebody do this with it as well. And they drew 1. Hold on. How many did Elizabeth draw? Very good. She wrote 12 letters. All right, so we're going to have to count. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'm going to go back and put my numbers in there so that way I know I have the right amount. Because if I get a different amount, I need to either erase or draw to get my correct amount. Do I have 12 in mind? Yes, I do. So our question was, how many more letters did Elizabeth write than Walter? And I loved how they compare those numbers, because this is what we did early in the year. They drew the lines to match. And then they wrote, oh, there's 4 more. So the answer was 4. And they said, they wrote the sentence, 12 minus 8 equals 4. Or they could have wrote 4 plus 8 equals 12. But this was a very good example of how you solve that. Well, now we're going to give you a couple more, and I'm going to ask you a question. You can pick any 3 questions that I call out to answer the next questions. All right, so get ready. Dorian collected 9 seashells at the beach. Caden collected 11 shells. I'm going to read it again. Dorian collected 9 seashells at the beach. Caden collected 11 seashells. All right, here's question 1. How many seashells did they both collect all together at the beach? Pause the video. Very good. So when I came around, I saw people using the tape diagram. They drew 9. They drew 9 seashells and 11 seashells. So they had 9 plus 11 makes what? 20. Very good. They had 20 seashells. All right, so here comes question number 2 if you want to do it this one. Dorian collected 9 seashells at the beach. Caden collected 11 seashells. How many more seashells did Caden collect than Dorian? How many more seashells did Caden collect than Dorian? All right, pause your video. When you come back, you'll see example B. All right, welcome back to my video. So B, they said Caden collected 11 and Dorian collected 9, and they had this subtraction. And they said Caden collected 2 more. Okay, so here's the third question. We'll read the question again. Dorian collected 9 seashells at the beach. Caden collected 11 seashells. How many fewer seashells did Dorian collect than Caden? Dorian collected 9 and Caden collected 11. How many fewer seashells did Dorian collect than Caden? Correct. You could use the exact same way. Or you could have said on this one down here, Caden collected 11 shells. How many more does Dorian need to collect? So the answer is going to be 2 again. All right. All right. So remember, because they're related math facts, so you're going to be using those numbers a lot. Okay. Let's get down to our last question of the day. And I'm going to give you a question. I want you to solve it. Tierney saw 13 leaping lizards at the park. Alexander saw 8 leaping lizards. Listen again. Tiara saw 13 leaping lizards at the park. Alexander saw 8 leaping lizards. How many more leaping lizards does Alexander need to find to catch up to Tierney? Tierney saw 13 leaping lizards at the park. Alexander saw 8 leaping lizards. How many more lizards does Alexander need to see to equal the same as Tierney? Pause the video and come back. Okay, very good. So I saw this when I came around. Tierney had, they labeled it with a T. They drew a box. And they drew 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. They put a 13 there. They drew 8 in another box above her. And they labeled that one Alexander. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And it says, how many more does she need to see? They crossed out that same method we used earlier in the day. Okay? And they wrote 5. And they drew it a different color so they could see the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? When they have the 5, they wrote 13 minus 8 equals 5. And I saw this when I came around. I'm sorry, my doorknob doing that. I saw somebody do this. They had 8 and 5 more makes 13. They drew all their families for that number. All right, guys. So remember, check out our math video. I will have a Zoom lesson. If you're watching this video, I will have a Zoom lesson to make up for the Friday one. I waited. Me and Ms. Jones waited and didn't get anybody. Some parents texted me and said they didn't get the link. Remember, the link will always be on the end of my math video. We're hoping to do one for lunch on Thursday at midday, and I will be drawing a gift card out for $5 every week for the students. Get on. I will put your name in a basket and I will draw out one name for a $5 gift card. Okay, so make sure you get on Thursday for our Zoom lunch and chat. That means you can eat and chat with your friends and me and whoever else joins our video. So remember, check out our Thursday videos to make sure. I will see you tomorrow back at 10:45, and I hope that you're doing your Compass Learning and learning Odyssey to get extra dojo points. Okay, and I will see you soon. Have a good day. Remember to click your link to do your math lesson. See you guys.